Today, we are going to multiply two-digit numbers by two-digit numbers using place value sections. The first problem that we are going to take a look at is 43 times 67. So if we look at 43 times 67, you can see that we have taken the number 43 and we have split that into 40 plus 3, which is still 43. We have taken the second number, 67, and we have split that into 60 plus 7, which is still 67. So we are going to use this chart, which is called a place value section chart, to solve the problem 43 times 67. If we look across, we want to take 60 times 40. As we have previously done in our prior lesson, we know that 6 times 4 is 24. And we know that there are how many zeros in our product here? 1, 2. So you're going to add 2 zeros. So we have 2,400. And you're going to go on to the next one. Here you are going to take 60 again. And you're going to go all the way down to the back and you're going to line it up with 3. So you have 60 times 3. And we know that 6 times 3 is 18. And we can see that there's 1 0, so then we add a 0. So you end up with 180. What we are doing is we are coming up with partial products. And when we get done, we're going to come up with 4 of them. We're going to come up with 1 here, 2, 3, and then we'll end up with the 4th one right here. Okay? So we have found 2 of them so far. So next you want to take 40 and now this time bring it all the way down, and what does it line up with? Here it lines up with 7. So we know that it's going to be 40 times 7. Now 4 times 7 is 28. We can also see that there's 1 0. So you're going to add a 0. So you come up with 280. Next, you come over and you do the last one. What lines up there is the 3 and the 7. You're going to come up with 21. So now you have 4 partial products. But we're not done, because to get our product for 43 times 67, 5th graders, we need to add all 4 partial products. So we're going to take 2,400 plus 180 plus 280 plus 21. And we want to add all those. Make sure that you line up the place values. Line up the digits with the correct place value. Okay? Now if we go through here, we have 0 plus 0 plus 0 plus 1, we know is 1. 8 plus 8 is 16. Plus 2 is 18. Carry our 1. So now we have 4 plus 1 is 5. Plus 2 is 7. Plus 1 is 8. You come over and then you have 2 plus 0 is 2. So our product for 43 times 67 would be equal to 2,881. Now, let's take a look at another one, 39 times 54. At this time, what would we split 39 into? We'd split it into 30 plus 9. So you're taking the tens, the 3 tens, which is 30, and then the 9 ones, which is 9. Then we go to 54. Again, look at the tens. How many tens are there? 5. So 5 tens we know is 50. Then add the ones. How many ones are there? We see that there are 4. So we're going to add 4. So now we have it broke up into 30 plus 9 and 50 plus 4, which is going to be equivalent to 39 times 54. We're going to solve this using partial products. So now we have, in the first box, we're going to have 50 times 30 which we know is 5 times 3 is 15 with 2 zeros. So you have 1,500. Next, you're going to take 50 and run it all the way across, and you're going to come up to 50 times 9. We know that 50 times 9 is equal to, well, 9 times 5 is 45. Oops. Let me get that screen back for you. We know that 50 times 9 is 45. My screen's bouncing all over here. Let me get that here. I'll get it here. All right. 50 times 9 is 45. So we have 45 with 1 0. Okay, so we have 450. Next, we come over and we take 30, bring it all the way down, and it comes up with 4 right here. So we're going to have 30 times 4. So 30 times 4, which is equal to, well, we know that 3 times 4 is equal to what? 12. How many zeros are there? 1, so add the 1. And then we go over to the last one, and what are we going to multiply here? You're going to run over 9 times what? 4. Good, which is equal to 36. So now we have four what? What are these called? We have 1, 2, 3, 4 partial products. So we have 4 partial products, and now we want to take those 4 partial products, we want to add them. So we have 1,500 plus 450 plus 120 plus 36. You are going to add those. So go ahead and add those. As you are adding them, I'm going to add them up here, so make sure that you are staying in front of me. And how many people came up with 2,106? That would be your correct answer. So 39 times 54 is equal to 2,106, or the product of 39 times 54 is 2,106. Do you think that you're ready to try one on your own? All right, now it's your turn. 48 times 53. And what I'd like you to do is to solve this in your math journal. And when you are finished, please be patient and we will go over this together. Good luck.